Hello Gucci's team, and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone have been doing great. Today I share with you my very healthy juice recipe. It is called Kiwi pineapple mango juice. Very healthy, very delicious. This is something you can use to refresh yourself, like if you're very tired or you're working, you're very busy. This is something you will always drink and feel very refreshed, very healthy. If you're somebody who is very conscious of your health like we are in this house, please stay till the end of this video. This video will be very helpful. Make sure to share to your friends and loved ones, and please subscribe if you haven't done so already. So guys, I'm not going to waste your time. This is a very quick and easy recipe. I would like you guys to get ready. Let's do this together. Just go ahead and clean up your fruits very nicely. Whatever kind of fruits you want to use, go ahead and clean it nicely. Make sure you wash with vinegar, salt and water. That way you don't have to fear of any kind of stomach ache or whatsoever. So my fruits are all nice and clean. I have mango here. I've gone ahead to get my mango chopped into the sizes of my choice so that I can be able to blend very well. And I am going to be using some kiwi like you saw from the beginning. I have lemon and lime here. I'm going to be using all of this just to make sure I have a delicious juice. Okay, so we are making mango pineapple kiwi juice. Okay, this is what kiwi looks like. I'm going to show you right quick. For those of you who don't know what kiwi is, this is what kiwi looks like. It's green and it's a very healthy fruit. Look at it, kiwi fruit. This is so beautiful. Since I came to this place, I have been taking this juice and it's always making me glow. It's a very good fruit you can use for your juice and all of those good stuff. I'm going to mix all of this together, and then we'll turn all of this into a delicious juice. Okay, we are going to also add some ice cubes. We have all our ice cubes ready. This is my blender. I'm going to go ahead and add my lemon and lime so we can start mixing this juice. Let's get right into the video. So go in with your lemon or lime. Just add your lemon and lime into your blender. You can choose not to add lemon and lime, but I love to add lemon and lime to any of my fruits. Or when I'm making smoothie, I like to add lemon and lime to my smoothie, to my juice. This is something I do once I am very busy. I just go ahead and do this just to enjoy myself, to calm my nerves, you know. These are the little ways I give myself treats. Life is just one. Yeah, that is it for this. Go ahead and add all of this. So this is my mango that I just added in. I'm going to add this. I went to get spoons. I went to get spoon, guys. Add all of these. It's going to be a delicious, delicious kiwi mango pineapple juice. Let me know if you're going to try this. Now I'm going to go in with all of my ice cubes. I do not like any other thing but ice cubes. If I don't have ice cubes, I just go in with water for my juice. I don't know why, but this is what I like. So if you feel like you want to add any other thing, go ahead. But yeah, add everything in. All those deliciousness, guys. Look at that. So I'm going to go ahead and blend all of this together and turn it into my sumptuous blend. This is it. Let's pour it in our jar. It looks so beautiful. This is the last blend. Gucci's is going to have some tastes, trust me. Isn't this delicious? It looks so beautiful, guys. So delicious. Look at that. Is this something you think you're going to try this season? Honestly, this juice came out so delicious. Sometimes you have some things at home you don't even know. You can just get yourself refreshed. This is how I get myself refreshed. Like when I'm so busy in the house, I just want to give myself some treat and feel good. I hope you're going to try this season. It will be very, very helpful for your family, for your friends, for your loved ones. Your children will love it. And you can use this to give yourself some good treats. Yeah, you don't have to take soda. Soda is not really too good. So this is what I take. I hope you subscribe, like, share this video to your friends and loved ones. Share this to your family. Honestly, this will be very helpful to everyone that loves you, to everyone you love. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao, ciao.